Hi guys, so this is a continuation of the previous video I made on how you can make money from Amazon selling gratitude journals just using a mobile phone. So if you have not watched the part one, please go and watch the part one so that you can understand what is happening in the part two. So let's head into the video.
Box. Then duplicate it again. Then duplicate. Now write love letter to myself down. Okay, now so I have arranged it, and now I just have to put a little element around here so that it will look okay. So elements, look for something like a love sign. Yeah, put it, pick this one now, change the color to black. Okay, then reduce it a little. Yeah, and reduce it still. Then duplicate it and have it here too. Okay, so we already have the interior for our gratitude journal. It looks okay to me, and this is very simple. And when you do your research, you can add some elements to it. You can add some things to it as a result of what customers are saying on the reviews, right? But this is something that is actually nice and simple. So we go to the first page. I told you guys that I left the first page blank. So I want to design it now. Just something I do, making the book look a little bit different. So I want to show you guys that. So I'm going to take this particular frame. Um, then try to just put some little touches to it. Okay. Change the color to black, don't forget. Then um this particular design, you find that in your elements like flowers, you see there. So have it here, duplicate it and have it here too. Right, you can use whatever you want to use, but just to make the book look a little bit more fancy. Then for your lines, you can just pick this line here, change the color to black, then elongate the line. Okay, then you can just have some text. um Delete this particular element. All right, this journal, this journal belongs to. So for those that want to give this as a gift, this would be a perfect match for them. And it's quite simple. I can choose to remove this and see how it will look like. Well, this is actually nice. This is better. Then we have this. So all I have to do now is to just duplicate this to make it 100. So to do that, I'll just come here, click on it here, then I just duplicate page. I keep duplicating until it gets to 100. So Canva itself can only do 100 pages. So we are going to do 100 pages. But if you want to do 120 pages, there are ways to go about it. If you want me to show you that using your phone, you can just leave that in the comment. But for this particular book, I'm going to be doing 100 pages. So as you can see, our interior is ready. So this is how our interior will look like So all we have to do right now is to download it as a PDF copy, then upload it to Amazon. So we click we click here and download, change from PNG to PDF print high quality, then download. So our interior is ready. The next thing we now want to do is our cover. So to make your cover now, the first thing we want to do is come back to Canva, click this plus sign. The cover would be 12.64 times 9.25. If you don't understand how to get the cover dimension, you can always go on Amazon cover calculator and you will see the cover dimensions that you're supposed to use. So you create. So now this is how the cover will look like. So the next thing you will now want to do is you want to go to Pixabay and get background that you can actually use for your cover. Pixabay.com. Now I would like to use flowers. Just type flowers here, and I'll take my time and look for some really nice flowers and pick the one that I would like the most and use as my cover. I prefer something that is actually very, very colorful because it tends to sell more than something that is dull. Okay, I like this one. Make sure you always come to check the Pixabay license here, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Now load, then I go back. The point is that you should look for as many images as you can, so that you pick the best from them. Don't just pick one, so you can keep trying them when you are designing and look for the one that actually goes best. So I like this one too. I'm going to check the license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. So let's go back to Canva. So now we're at Canva. All I need to go and do is to upload the images I downloaded from Pixabay, upload it to Canva. So I click this plus sign here, come to uploads, then upload media, device, then files. I select my files. So I'm going to start with this image here, and see how I can manipulate it and make it look really beautiful. So first things first, you must understand that this side is the front cover and this side that I'm on right now is the back cover. So what Canva does is that it helps you with a separating line. That line tells you the middle, right? So you know that, okay, this side is the back and this side is actually the front cover. So I'm going to focus on the front cover for now and manipulate this image until I get something that looks really nice. Okay, I'll duplicate it and cut a little. Yeah. So the next thing I now want to do is to just pick elements, pick this, change the color of the elements, something related to the image. That's no. The thing about design is that you actually have to take your time and look for something that feels okay. You have gotten